we have the other side against the wall on. And I've decided I'm going to get the scaffolding. It's going to be a lot easier. I don't know if I can even do it without it. So we're going to set it right in here. But I don't want to drive down special for it. So I decided I'm going to do some repair up here. Start putting the molding around the window. But before that, I need to repair this, because look at this. I did this with a hammer, but you can see right here, it started to rot. That's the problem when you don't have much overhang. The water's hitting here all the time. So I'm taking the skill saw battery one, going along here. I'll go over to right in here, take all this out, get a measurement, and then put a new piece in. Now this will be covered up because we're doing 3.5 inch molding here, but I'd like to get the rot stuff out first, and then I can start putting in the new 3.5 inch, and then eventually this will be all under cover, so there will not be more damage here. So it turns out I ended up going, it's 13 inches between that top of the board and the roof, well, the bottom of the soffit. So I kept it parallel with that, so that means it's a 4 pitch. I'm not sure, this is more like a 3 pitch here. So I'm not sure how this is going to work out, but I still think it'll look good when we add the scallops and everything, because somehow we need to connect this over to here with a center piece running from either there or there down, like right into that area. Okay, let's work on repair, molding, and then when I'm downtown this afternoon later, I will load some scaffolding, bring some up or all of it. Okay, we'll do a video on the scaffolding. It's really nice stuff.